Restarting the Future takes a new look at the economic challenges facing the world and how to fix them. 20 years of sluggish economic growth, inequality, dysfunctional competition, and a host of other problems have left people wondering what has happened to the future that they were promised. Restarting the Future proposes a new explanation for these problems and a set of solutions.
Now, the great economic disappointment of the century so far is, we argue, the result of an incomplete transition from an economy based on physical capital to one based on intangible capital, ideas, relationships, brands, and knowledge.
The problem is that while this change has been going on for some time, the institutions that underpin our economy are still designed for the old physical world. How we finance businesses, how we build our cities, how we fund science, our monetary policy, our intellectual property rules, they have not caught up with the intangible revolution. As a result, the world is poorer, less fair, and more vulnerable to existential threats.
Restarting the Future examines these problems in turn and sets out a set of radical but practical solutions. It's based on our experience as researchers and as practical policymakers. And it sets out some ideas that can bring back the future that the world had once hoped for.